Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Gosh. Okay, so I am going to make slime for you guys, I guess today. So I already have like some slimes over here. I only have 4 over here right now. But I have like more over there. I have a pink one. I have 2 more over there. So I'm about to get a container. And we about to get started. First, I want to test out and see if you can make. I'm gonna make a little. This is the wrong one. If you can make a slime, clear slime with shaving cream, and let's see. I'm gonna make a clear slime. Okay, I'm about to make a clear slime with shaving cream. And see if it still have like a little clear effect like this. What the heck? How in the world did I get? Oh, because this is the wrong count, that's why. I don't know if you guys can see, but got the clear slime glue in there on that. Put a little shaving cream on here. A little bit. That's about enough. Mix it up. You already feel. Oh no, it didn't. I thought it felt like it was about to be formed. And go ahead and get it popping, get it forming, get it forming. Already forming. I don't think it have. Yep, it don't really have a clear effect. So you know that isn't a clear effect. I think it matches the other. I tried this before, but I wanted to try it for y'all on camera. It's still kind of sticky, so let me just put a little bit more. So let's find the one that I tried it with. I think it was, yep, it was this one right here. So we about to put it in here. Alright, I'm gonna let this top in. So I'm about to clean my hands and I'll be back with another slime slime method. So guys, oh, we need to go get some. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. How to make a little clear. Make this one right here. So all you do is glue inside. I don't really have any more time. tie. And start on, and you have to let your clear slimes like sit so the bubbles could get out, so you could see the clear in it, I guess. So that's how mine, I don't think, yeah, mine came out. And then I only made a little piece, so can't really see. See, look, there's like, you see this little white part right there? I have to let that sit, and then it'll be the actual clear color. Put the top on, let it sit, and then, oh, I'm gonna show you how to make this glitter slime I made. Okay, so this is the wrong top. Whatever. So this is the glitter slime that I made. It's just like this, Elmo. So put some glue. Put a little top. And I'm gonna show you guys a afternoon routine for me, which is gonna be kind of like a morning routine for me, because I'm about to take a shower after this slime. I'm all dirty because of this slime. And it's gonna be in another vlog, which I'm gonna edit these vlogs today. So, need a little more top. So I'm about to, oh, here it is. I'm gonna put this in the container. I only wanted to show you guys how I make it. So you can use, oh, actually this isn't Tide, that's Gain. So this is kind of like a clear slime, just pink and glitter. It's somewhat a clear slime. So guys, I'm about to clean this mess up. So let's get started on cleaning. Oh, okay, so what I'm gonna do, put the lids on the slime one. I need to wipe these down. Okay. Okay. I have beads and stuff that I'm gonna put in. I don't know. Ooh. Yeah, we finna make a little. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up, and I will be back. We're about to go get a towel, to clean this stuff up. and get ready for my afternoon routine. I'm gonna edit this first and then I may go and post this video up before I do my afternoon routine. So stay tuned, guys. And then I'm gonna do how I do my Musical.ly. And I'm gonna have to do that off my phone. I'm gonna use this one app because I'm using the camera right now. I'm gonna have to use my camera. I'm using the camera. Let me set this up. I'll be back when I got all this cleaned up. Okay, guys, so I'm done, and I'm just gonna end this vlog off because I'm getting. Okay, well, I'm gonna end this vlog off because I need to get ready for the next vlog, and I'm going to do that vlog, and I have to go somewhere. So you know, when you're going to do the vlog, and you have to go somewhere. You know, sometimes you just have to end one vlog off. But I'm about to put these lines in the Ziploc bag, and then I'll show you guys me doing that. Even though that's not really interesting. It's just, I'm gonna do that before I end the vlog. Alright, so let me get this big one. So I have this one first. And I have my slimes. So I may put some more like activator stuff in there, lotion stuff. So like if I was to take this and somebody wanted to buy slime, even though I'm not done finished making slime, I will have everything to activate it and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching this slime video. I don't even know what to call it. But stay tuned for the next video. I love y'all so much. Bye, guys. Oh, did I tell y'all that if y'all... Okay, I got a request. No, I'll just talk about everything on the next video, y'all know. Get my fingers. But, peace.